Ikaw ba ay nalulungkot na naghahanap na makakasama? Char. So, I had my first boyfriend at the age of 26. Imagine ha, for the first 25 years ng buhay ko, no boyfriend since birth. I know! Sa ganda kong to, NBSP ako. I can't tell you how desperate I was na magkaroon ng jowa. I've talked about this in my evangelism podcast, if you wanna listen to it. There was a time na talagang desperate na ako. Ako yung tipo ng bakla na pumupunta sa St. Jude at nagsisindi ng kulay pink na kandila. And I will probably, out of desperation, throw myself out to the very next person na magpapakita sa akin ng kahit konting pansin at atensyon. Diyos ko, batiin mo lang ako ng good morning, kumain ka na ba, mahal na kita. I'm that kind of girl. Girl, I am really that desperate for love and affection. Ang dami kong mga iniyakan na hindi ko naman naging jowa. Feeling ko lahat ng taong makikilala ko is totga. It was really sad. Many a times I found myself feeling na parang may kulang ba sa akin? Am I inadequate? Hindi ba ako maganda? Hindi ba ako nakakatuwa? Ngayon, tinatawanan ko na lang siya. But I'm telling you, I was really sad back then. In retrospect, na-realize ko that there are two main reasons kung bakit ganun ako. Firstly is, sa totoo lang, hindi naman talaga ako in love. So, sa lahat ng mga nakakilala ko, oh my gosh, baka mapapanood nila to yung mga dati kong ano. It's not that I don't really love them, pero I think I was more in love of the idea of being in love. After 2 relationships, I realized that there's more to relationships really than just love stories, love songs, mansaries, anniversaries, and all the things that were glamorized in social media and in the world that we live in about love. Real relationships take work. It takes commitment. And there's really more to it than just the kilig factor. Hindi malinaw sa akin yun when I was 25. Now, the second reason, which I think is more important, was that I realized now when I was younger, I did not love myself enough to realize that I, on my own, am perfectly capable of giving myself the happiness, the love, na pilit kong hinahanap-hanap sa iba. You see, nung bata ako, nag-gym ako kasi gusto ko maging borta para more chances of winning, kumbaga. I dress up because I want to look good. Baka nandiyan na siya. And I work hard in my accomplishments in life, feeling na parang, oh, kailangan ko maging ganito para maging proud yung future jowa ko. I was all doing things for all the wrong reasons. I will do it for anything except for myself. Ultimately, ang love advice natin ngayon, and this applies not just sa mga single ha. Kahit may jowa ka na, may asawa at anak ka na, mas lalo na kung kabit ka, this applies to you. This love advice applies to all of us. The single most important relationship you will ever have in your life is the one that you will have with yourself. I think it's very important na bago mo ibigay yung quality and kind of love na kaya mong ibigay sa iba, is dapat alam mo muna yung feeling kung paano makatanggap nun. In fact, dapat nga ikaw yung unang makaranas muna ng kind of love na kaya mong ibigay. Kung alam mo yung quality of love na kaya mong ibigay sa iba, hindi mo siya basta-basta itatapon lang. And once you have reached a point in your life wherein you are independent, you know how to live a full life on your own, it would be easier for you to share that when the right person comes along. So sa mga tropa kong single dyan na naging marupok katulad ko at nagmamahal ng buong buo, there's nothing wrong about you. I hope you do not give up on love. Imagine if you're able to give your heart wholeheartedly to someone who was not meant for you. Just imagine the life that you would live once you found the one that is worth the wait. Ayun na nga. So I think kailangan ko nang magbihis. My date is here. Ay! Okay. Kinikilig ako. Inikilig ako. Bakit? Nag-reply na siya, guys. So, see you in the next video.